Why should I take the 5-day water restoration and applied structural drying combo? You might be thinking that. Well, here's why. Not only is this class 5 days hands-on inside of our flood house, it incorporates 2 independent subjects, water restoration technician and applied structural drying. This big benefit is 2 courses in one over 5 days instead of 2 courses over 6 days. All attendees will experience and be able to manage in live time extraction, equipment calculations, equipment installation, learn about documentation, varying strategies to apply open, closed, or combination systems on the job, and of course, how to build your file for success. Join us today, 5 days hands-on, for the best training experience available in the industry today.